Hey, that's Mulan, you idiot.
Sorry, don't take it so serious.
Man, I start to get bored around here.
Yeah, you're telling Pinocchio.
Pinocchio, you just say your name.
Yeah, I know. I just couldn't help myself.
Let's just move to the next role.
Alright, come on in, Green Goblin.
First of all, is Pete?
Dude, I get that you're Peter Pan, but she's supposed to call you Green Goblin.
Oh, yeah, right.
Hi, welcome to my house. It's my bad.
Hi, welcome to my house.
Pinocchio, hey, oh yeah, hey, Pinocchio.
I swear to God if you mess this up again.
Now calm down, Mulan. No wait, I'm Mulan, aw damn it. Now calm down, Mulan.
Oh!
Why did I keep saying my name? Why did I keep saying my goddamn name? Rule number 1, no jumping on the bed. Rule number 2, no pillow fights. Rule number 3, no play kickball, or you might break something. If you do, then I finna chop the single one of your legs off. Anybody understand that?
Okay, it's me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Oh, I said yes, sir.
Good. Now what you guys want to do?
How about pillow fight?
Pinocchio, I said no pillow fights. Besides, that's Peter Pan's line, you twerk.
Okay, time to take the popcorn out the oven. I mean the microwave.
Yep, tell your parents that I have a good sleepover with you guys. I mean, classic Caillou tries to get grounded again.